It's been a while. It's time for another unboxing video. Let's see what's inside this one. What could it be? It could be something I ordered, probably. It is something I ordered. Pretty sure. Pretty disappointment if they send me something I didn't order. Well, it could be a nice surprise, but most likely I would like something that I did actually order. And inside we have a multi-tab. That's cool. Video, audio cables, and Prince of Persia. Warrior Within. Cool. Now I can play with more people. Yay!